alphabetical order is a system whereby strings of characters are placed in order based on the position of the characters and the conventional ordering of an alphabet. It is one of the methods of collation. To determine which of two strings comes first in alphabetical order, their first letters are compared. If they differ, then the string whose first letter comes earlier in the alphabet comes before the other string. If the first letters are the same, then the second letters are compared, and so on. If a position is reached where one string has no more letters to compare while the other does, then the first, shorter, string is deemed to come first in alphabetical order. Capital letters, uppercase, are generally considered to be identical to their corresponding lowercase letters for the purposes of alphabetical ordering, though conventions may be adopted to handle situations where two strings differ only in capitalization. Various conventions also exist for the handling of strings containing spaces, modified letters, such as those with diacritics, and non-letter characters such as marks of punctuation. The result of placing a set of words or strings in alphabetical order is that all the strings beginning with the same letter are grouped together. And within that grouping all words beginning with the same two-letter sequence are grouped together. And so on. The system thus tends to maximize the number of common initial letters between adjacent words. Collation algorithms, in combination with sorting algorithms, are used in computer programming to place strings in alphabetical order. A standard example is the Unicode collation algorithm, which can be used to put strings containing any Unicode symbols into an extension of alphabetical order. It can be made to conform to most of the language-specific conventions described above, by tailoring its default collation table. Several such tailorings are collected in common locale data repository. The principle behind alphabetical ordering can still be applied in languages that do not strictly speaking use an alphabet. For example, they may be written using a syllabary or a abjada, provided the symbols used have an established ordering. For logographic writing systems, such as Chinese Hanzi or Japanese kanji, the method of radical and stroke sorting is frequently used as a way of defining an ordering on the symbols. Japanese sometimes uses pronunciation order, most commonly with the Gojo-on order, but sometimes with the older Iroha ordering. In mathematics, lexicographical order is a means of ordering sequences in a manner analogous to that used to produce alphabetical order. Some computer applications use a version of alphabetical order that can be achieved using a very simple algorithm, based purely on the ASCII or Unicode codes for characters. This may have non-standard effects such as placing all capital letters before lowercase ones. See alphabetical order. A rhyming dictionary is based on sorting words in alphabetical order starting from the last to the first letter of the word.